Okay, so first things first, I need you to share your Fusion files for this project with me. I would like you to open the file and then click on People and then add a person, right? By adding the email address in this box. So you would simply put in my ASIJ email and click invite, and I will get a link to go see your design in a slightly different interface, right? So I get this, I click through and I view and comment. I want to be able to comment on your file. And the week after break, we're going to be commenting on each other's files. So peer-to-peer commenting. The cool part about this is that not only can you leave a comment, but you can mark it up in this comment. So I can literally grab a pencil or an arrow, right? Or I guess I'm drawing. I can grab an arrow here. Ooh, let's see, that's a little more accurate. However it is you want, oops, don't go backwards. You want to be able to interact with this, you have all kinds of options. Callouts, right? Then we can be like, something about this over here. Whatever. And you can also add comments over here. Post, you can see who made the comment, you can see what the comment is, and you can reply to that comment. So we can have threaded feedback on Fusion as a tool for this project. We're going to use this moving forward as well. So you need to be able to figure out how this works. This should give you plenty of information to get me into your files, and then we will worry about making either pairs or small groups so that you can comment on each other's work as we move into next week. Thank you, and I will expect to have these links in my email by Wednesday night after we have our live class Wednesday morning. Thank you.